this lesson, we're going to add a score system using mouse clicks. We'll create a red rectangle, and every time you click on it, your score will go up, but clicking anywhere else won't work. Let's build it step by step. First, let's look at how we set up the score and the colors. We choose a font for displaying the score and start with the score at 0. Then we define 3 colors: white for the text, black for the background, and red for the target. Next, we create the target, a red rectangle using pygame.Rect. It's placed somewhere near the center of the screen and will act as our clickable area. Now this line adds a short delay between frames, just to keep things smooth and under control. Here's the important parts: the click detection. We check if the mouse was clicked. And if the click happened inside the red rectangle, we increase the score by 1. After that, we handle the drawing. First, we clear the screen with black. Then we draw the red rectangle, our target. We also render the score as white text and show it in the top left corner. Finally, we update the screen with pygame.display.update. Let's run it and see what happens. Try clicking on the red square. Every time you hit it, the score goes up. But if you click anywhere else, nothing happens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.